guys, today in Computer Lab we're going to talk about another platform called Moby Max. It is on your Clever page, and it is another site that you can get on and practice your skills in different subjects. So let's look at that today. When you log into your school, you go to Clever and your portal will come up, and then scroll down and find the Moby Max tile. There's a whale there because of Moby the whale, I guess. So Moby Max is there, and you can click it, and it will, since you're logged in, it's going to be your information that it's using, your profile. So as you can see, the home page is like your library. It's all your subjects that you can work in, and they're color coded. So today we're going to focus on the math ones. This is a great way many teachers like for their students to practice their math fact fluency, how many facts that you can recall quickly in your head. So this is a great way to do that. It would be under fact fluency. And what it'll do is it'll start out with addition. So if you're in the lower grades, like second, third, and as you answer those questions, it will then switch to subtraction, then multiplication, then eventually division. So you're going to start out in addition and answer as many of those facts as you can quickly. So just to see what it looks like, you can click it, and it's going to tell you that you have 6 seconds to answer the questions. So you only have 6 seconds to think of the facts. So, and then you just enter the number from your keyboard. You don't have to press enter, you just type the number, and it's going to type it in there right away. And if you miss it, if you don't have it right, it's going to sit there and blink, giving you the opportunity to backspace. And it's also going to give you a little bit of an explanation about how they got that number. So if you need to look at that. So you have 6 seconds to answer as many questions as you can within the time limit. And you just keep going. You just keep answering them by pressing those numbers quickly. So, and that I'll go back to home just to show you. And it'll ask you sometimes, are you wanting to complete this sprint or leave? And so if you're wanting to leave in the middle of something, it's prompting you as to why. So when you do fact fluency, like I said, it will keep up with your skill set, and each time you get a few more right, it'll say you have improved your score by 3 facts or 5 facts. So the more you play it and the more you do it, the quicker you'll get and the more facts you'll be able to recall. Now some of the other math options are going to have a placement test at the beginning. Language will have one, and math will have one, and possibly reading. So it's going to ask you a few math questions to see where your skill set is and try to fill those gaps where you might need extra work at, and give you questions according to what you score. So the math placement test looks something like just a multiple choice type test. And then you'll just answer those, and eventually it'll start giving you questions based on how you scored. Now, in class, if the kids are focused and they're working hard, then usually at the end of class we do a few minutes of a reward type activity, and Moby Max has some fun creative things on it as well. One of the tabs at the top with the balloons has the games. There is a game section. Now you have to play for a while before you earn game time, and it'll tell you how many minutes you have earned. So the amount of time I've spent on Moby Max has earned me 6 minutes and 40 seconds worth of games. So that's an option if you want to reward yourself with some game time. If you don't have any game time, it'll tell you you need to work 4 more minutes or 10 more minutes to earn game time. Another thing that's sort of fun is the creative part. You can actually customize your Moby by choosing a frame color. It will just change the color around your frame. You can also change your screens. You can pick some fun screens, background screens, whatever you like. You can choose as many as you like. And what that'll do is when you go play an activity, that screen will appear in the background. And it also only gives you so many seconds to do this. So you can't stay on the creative part endlessly. It'll only let you do so long before its time is up. So you earn those minutes and you earn those rewards by working in your subjects. Okay, so if you need extra help in math, or you want to work on your fact fluency, or your language, or your reading, just choose a tile and work and earn some rewards.